Hello everybody and welcome back to Science with Nicholas on your second day of Chalice Camp. Today we have two science experiments that are going to be really cool. First, we have a big classic baking soda reaction that will blow up this balloon, and then we are going to get this egg into that jar without me touching it. So without further ado, let's get right into the science. Okay guys, so first what we're going to do is we're going to make this balloon blow up using a classic vinegar and baking soda reaction. So first, we got a plastic funnel right here and some vinegar. Doesn't matter what type of vinegar, you can use it. You can use any type. And then we got this jar. This just happens to be an old wine jar. And we're going to pour some vinegar in. Okay, now let's wait for it to settle. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Now we probably have 1.5 cups of vinegar in the bottle, but this is just for this size of bottle. And then what we're going to do next is very carefully, we're going to use this paper funnel that I just made, and we're going to funnel some baking soda into the top, and then really quickly put the balloon over it, so then the carbon dioxide molecules that are being released by the reaction will blow the balloon up. Okay, so ready? Here we go. Okay, see guys? Look at that, the balloon is blowing up. So yeah. So as I said, what's happening is a classic vinegar and baking soda reaction. Because what happens, as those two react, they release carbon dioxide in the form of a gas, which is why this balloon is blowing up. Okay, and so yeah, there we go, guys. We just got a vinegar and baking soda balloon. Try it at home, everybody. Second experiment, as I said in the intro, we're going to get this egg to go inside that jar without me touching it. So first of all, this is just a random hard-boiled egg that we peeled and washed it off so it's nice and smooth. And then this is a jar that the egg can sit on top of it without going in, but with a little help, it'll go in. Then what we're going to do first, we're going to put our finger in some vegetable oil and rub it around the outside so it goes in easier. And then we take some newspaper, some regular newspaper, and we're going to roll it up. Okay, so we rolled it up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to light it on fire with this lighter. We're going to put it inside the jar. Then after a little while that is burned for a little bit, we're going to put the egg on and watch the egg get sucked in. So first, let's light it up. Okay, so we're lighting the newspaper, putting in there. Let's let it burn for a little bit so the paper really gets going. And then, here we go. Watch that. You see the egg slowly starting to get sucked in? Bam! There it is. And you want to know why that happened? It's actually kind of cool. So the pressure on the outside was greater than the pressure on the inside, which made the egg get pushed inside. Because the fire, it took up all the oxygen, because oxygen is a requirement to have fire burning. It took up all the oxygen inside, decreasing the amount of pressure on the inside of the jar and increasing the difference in the pressure outside of the jar, which led the egg to get pushed in. So anyhow, that's it with this science experiment. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, thanks for watching with Tuesday's version of Science with Nicholas. I hope you really enjoy some science experiments. And remember, there's all sorts of science experiments that you can make using your computer and some common household supplies. So I really hope you guys do that. But anyhow, have fun with Chalice Camp, and I'll see you tomorrow.